Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download CSV on KuCoin. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to open KuCoin website and just make sure you are logged into your account. From here, you will just see this home page here. So you have few options here. It says trade, derivatives earn more, and stuff like that. Now, to get your CSV files, you can go to here. It's actually for tax purposes, you have to tap here and you can go to your futures margin and trade history. Click on either of those. And once you are here, you can see its order history. You can save as CSV. So just in orders, and that is similar to margin trade. Says cross margin here and you can see save as CSV. And you can go to futures trade history. You will need to enable future trading, but you get the same save as CSV. Or you go to here to history or your deposit, withdrawal and transfer, and you can download CSV, and you can even choose the period of time like 1 month, 3 months, 1 year and custom. So you have all these options. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.